sister are going to draw a folding surprise emoji.
Yeah, we hope you're excited and you're going to follow along with us. Let's show our art friends what the art lesson looks like.
Okay.
When our paper is folded up, it just looks like an emoji with a little tongue sticking out.
Yeah.
But then when you open it, it has our favorite food. Well, one of our favorite foods, pizza and a drink. But our art friends could also change this lesson to have something completely different on the inside, like a burger.
Or even a taco.
Yeah, you could change it any way you want. We're using our markers to draw and color with, so we're also using marker paper to draw on. All right, let's clear everything off and we'll get started.
Okay.
Let's first start by folding our paper. We're going to take the top edge, line it up with the bottom edge, and crease it down the middle and then out to the edges. Then we're going to take the top flap and we're going to line it up with the top edge and fold that down also. Then we can flip our paper over and we're going to repeat that same step. Take the top flap, line it up, and fold it down. Now this is just a guide fold, this last one. So we're going to unfold it and then flatten it out. And then we can flip our paper back over and we're going to turn our paper sideways so that when we're all finished, it opens up to the left like this. We also have some scratch paper that we're going to put underneath our drawing paper just to protect our table while we're using our markers. Now we're ready to draw our emoji, and we're going to draw a big circle. Half of it will be on the left of the fold and the other half will be to the right of the fold. So we can start right in the middle on the fold. I'm going to start right about here, and we're going to draw the left side first. I'm going to draw it freehand. You could use a bowl or a cup to trace around if you want to draw a perfect circle. I think it's fun practicing freehand. There's half our circle. And notice how close we got to the edge of the paper. We're going to try to match that over here so that it's symmetrical on both sides. So let's start at the top again, and we're going to try to match. It's okay if they're not exactly the same. I'm going to come down, and then we're going to curve and connect. Oh, I'm trying to concentrate. We're going to come down and then connect where we ended at the bottom. Good job, Austin. We did it. There's our circle, or the outside shape of our emoji. Now let's add the face. I'm going to draw an oval on the left for one eye, and then we're going to draw that same oval shape on the right for the other eye. And you could also change your emoji to be a different face if you want it. You could draw an angry one. You could draw the one with sunglasses. You could draw any of them. So you could pause the video right now to change the design of your emoji if you want. Let's add the smiley face next. And I'm going to draw a really big smile all the way across the bottom of the face. And also I could draw little cheek lines on each side. Oh, and also I'm going to add a tongue right here, sticking out. Then at the top of each eye, I'm going to draw a little circle. I'm going to leave this white, but color in the big oval shape. This makes the eyes look shiny. Then also we could add a little line down the middle of our tongue. Let's put the cap on our markers, and we can open up our paper and flatten out the fold so it's easier to draw on. Now we're ready to draw the inside of our folding surprise. First, let's extend the top of our emoji past the fold, and we can also do it down here at the bottom, and also let's extend the smile. And we'll repeat that same step over here on the right side. Then we're going to start at the very top of our emoji, and I'm going to draw a curve. And we're going to curve into or out to the left, and then we're going to curve back out at the very bottom. And when we're curving, you want to make sure that this line doesn't cross over the fold. That way, when it's folded up, it's all hidden, and you can't see that line. Then let's repeat that same step over here. We'll start at the top. I'm going to curve really close to the fold in the middle, and then curve back out. Next, we're ready to draw our favorite food on the inside, and we're going to draw a slice of pizza, but our friends could add whatever they want. They could draw a burger or even a taco. Let's draw pizza though, okay?
Okay.
All right, we're going to start right here, and let's draw a V shape. We're going to draw it diagonal. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw kind of a wavy line that comes down. So we start up here and then come down to about here. Yeah. And then let's draw the pizza cheese melting. I'm going to draw it kind of wiggly and wavy. We're going to come all the way over to about here. So we got this sideways V shape that's wiggly. There you go. Good job. And then we're going to draw the crust. So we're going to draw first a curve that connects the top of the V shape. Then right here, let's draw a curve, and I'm going to go inside or connect to the emoji because I'm really close. Are you close too? Yeah, there you go. So it's going to look like it's inside. Then we're going to come out, and we're going to finish the crust coming down. And if you run into the little drips, that's okay. We're going to imagine it going behind the drips and coming out and ending at the edge of the cheese or the tip of the cheese. Yeah. Now this curve right here, we're going to match that same curve up here, and yours could be a little bit bigger since it's inside. You only drew part of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. And then when we draw this curve, we want to match this one connecting, or that's right here next to the cheese, so they run together. There we go. There's our crust. And you could leave it like this for our cheese pizza. Let's add pepperonis. I'm going to draw oval shapes. And I'm going to draw another oval here and maybe half of an oval for a pepperoni slice that is cut. And maybe I'm going to add another. There we go. I'm going to also add little sausage bits, or maybe this is peppers or something else.
Or pineapple.
Oh, no, it's not pineapple.
I like pineapple.
What else should we add to the inside?
A drink.
Let's do it. Let's add a drink right here. I'm going to add a straight line that goes across. And then let's draw the lid. So I'm going to draw another short diagonal line that comes up on each side. And then let's connect the top of those two lines together too. And then we can draw the cup coming down, and we're going to overlap behind the pizza. Oh, we could even imagine it going down past the pizza too. Maybe it comes down here, just barely past the pizza, and then we'll connect these two lines together. Oh, let's add a straw too. I'm going to draw a line coming out. Oh, and I'm going to draw another line right next to it. And then let's draw a bendy straw. So I'm going to draw bending to the side. And then this line can curve like this and then come across the top. And then let's draw the end of the straw. I'm going to draw a little oval to connect. Let's also add 3 little diagonal lines in the corner for the bendy part. The last thing we need to do is finish the emojis so they look more 3D. Let's draw the back of the emoji. Coming down over here, we're going to connect to the pizza. Imagine it going behind the crust, and then we're going to connect down here to the bottom. See how it looks like the pizza now is going inside of the emoji?
Yeah.
We can do the same thing over here, and because there's nothing going inside, we're just going to connect it down to the bottom. We finished drawing our emoji folding surprise, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our emojis, our folding surprise emojis. Let's show our friends the inside. Now I'm hungry.
Yeah.
It looks so much better all colored in. Did you have fun?
Yes. I hope our art friends will color their drawings too.
Yeah, you can pause the video to match our same coloring. You could also add even more things to your drawing. Maybe you add another slice of pizza.
You could also add some of your favorite food.
Oh yeah, you could add something completely different. Oh, or even add French fries.
Yeah.
Maybe French fries with pizza. That would be really good.
Or a hamburger.
A hamburger in the background. We used our Art for Kids hub markers to color with. If you have the same set, We use 33 for the emoji, and that's a kind of a darker yellow. Then we use 35 for the cheese. I also used 301 orange for a little shading on the pizza. And then what colors did we use for the drink?
59 green and 66 blue.
Yeah, and we also used 15 red for the straw and the pepperonis, and 341 for the tongue.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your emoji.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take extra time to color your drawings and add even more things to the inside. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Oh, you actually ate your food.
Yes.